Howdy, howdy, howdy. Happy to be here and happy you're here with me. And if you're new here and enjoy this content, I hope you'll subscribe. My name is Heather. My channel is Southern Gals Crochet. And today we're going to talk about all that I have managed to get accomplished this week. Which makes me chuckle because it's never as much as I anticipate it to be. Never. It's a weird, strange thing. Anyway, alright. I'm just pulling up my information. I keep a log of every day. So I'm just waiting for that to pull up. Alright. Alright, here we go. So, the last time we talked was last Saturday, because my video was late last week. After that video, I managed to get one chicken done. And I'm not sure what happened to the rest of my evening, but that's all I got done. Very tired today. Very tired. I know you're not here to... Maybe you're here to listen to me jabber on. I don't know. My lady that I take care of ended up in the hospital. And then yesterday we went and got her. So she was in the hospital all week. And then this morning, she calls me really early, 6:30, something like that. And she had fallen out of bed. And so yeah, this day has been crazy. And of course, for me, 6:30 is 2 hours too early. And I have been dragging my butt ever since. So, and that's how my day has been. So if I look tired, that's why. Okay. So, here is how Sunday went. I've been wanting to do a little car because I've had people come into my booth and ask if I had a little car or truck or something like that, you know. Which of course I don't. So I've been thinking about it and I wanted to get a car in my shop. When I say shop, I mean my markets that I do. This was prototype number 1. And he looks very similar to the final result, except for the fact that when I first made him, he was, all the cars are he, so when I first made him, he was 2 separate pieces, the white piece with a cap top piece, and I had to sew the posts down. And I was like, there's got to be an easier way. So here comes prototype number 2. So this is now a 1 piece with the blues, change the color to the white, but I still had to sew down these posts. And I was like, there's got to be an easier way. Prototype number 3. Now we have a top with a changing to white and then changing back to the main color and doing 1 round and catching those posts as you go around. So now all you have to do is sew the cab to the body. Easy peasy. So that's my final result. And so it took 3 cars to get there. And that was Sunday. Now Monday, I tried to mess with the video area here and figure out how to do a video of recording my hands, you know, a tutorial video. Okay, so first off, I put the little bendy arm on my desk, clipped it, put the camera on, thought it was doing just fine. And then when I went to review it, every single stitch I made shook the camera because it was attached to the table. So, obviously, that didn't work. And then the next time I tried it, I tried it on the edge of the door. And that seemed to have worked. But the only problem with that is hubby likes to watch television pretty much 24/7. It's on all the time. And, you know, he's retired, so he's home all the time. And with having to keep the door open to record, because I had it attached to the side of the door and coming over the top of this desk right here, I was not happy with that. So after 3 attempts of trying to get this going, trying to get a tutorial going, I gave up. I just literally gave up and sat down and crocheted 2 more cards. I was just so fed up with it. So I got 2 more cards done. And then I was like, you know, I have finalized the pattern. It's perfect. I was writing the pattern. And I was like, okay, let's get back to this bunny business, you know. So I have a new bunny. And I did realize the legs are off by maybe a stitch. They need to come over a little this way, maybe a stitch. But I'm almost done with that one. And that was it for the night. I'd had enough frustration. And then Tuesday, I had to go do some errands for my lady while she was in the hospital. And, well, it says I did another bunny, but apparently that's not true. Okay, so hubby had a doctor's appointment, and I did 1 race car. And that was that for that day. That was ate up with work and doctor's appointment. I finally got up the courage to try to do another tutorial. I was not keen on trying it again. But I did, and I got this car done while creating that tutorial. And then I was like, you know, I need to do something, something else, you know, just take my mind off it all. So I got half of this done on Wednesday and the other half of it done last night. It's a long-eared bunny. I love her little nose. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but she has a little tiny pink nose. I saw somebody do a tutorial about making just a flat nose by going around the strand, like circling around the strand. And yeah, it really does make an awful cute nose. So anyway, I added a little oomph back here for a tail. So it's a long-eared bunny ready for Easter. Yay. I just needed something to get my mind off of all these cars and what was going on with my client. And uh, so today, today has just been work. I haven't gotten anything crocheted today. I probably won't get a chance to do any crochet until this evening. And that's going to be a chicken. So, yeah, it's been a heck of a day. I still got to go back to work again here in just a little bit because, you know, she needs somebody there to give her some supper and give her her pills. And so, yeah, things at work is going to start taking a lot of my time almost every day now. So, unfortunately, it is what it is, you know. I give her the best care I can possibly give her, and that's that. Okay, I know I'm a downer today. I'm so sorry. I'm not in my usual good spirits. I'm not usually laughing like I usually am. Uh, it's just, yeah, like I said. All right. Well, I do. I really, really do appreciate you hanging out with me. I really appreciate everyone giving me all your positive feedback for my tutorial. I love it. I am so glad to have it done because it took 12 hours from creation to editing to uploading. It took 12 hours. I was like, wow, why is it taking so long? So now I know if I'm going to do a tutorial, I really need to get on it early in the morning if I want to finish it before I go to bed. Because, yeah, that's a lot of work. All right. Again, I really appreciate y'all hanging out with me. And, you know, not all days are rainbows and sunshine. I guess I'll talk to y'all later. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.